coming to it. Again, I'm Dev Mode, Devin. You can find on Instagram, Dev Mode Nunchaku, like hard mode. You'll find it by that point. You don't have to spell Nunchaku. That's just the traditional way of saying nunchucks. Right? What we started with was just making sure that we handle our chucks, understanding that we can actually hit ourselves with the handle, and that's okay. Later on, we want to hit towards the string. That makes it softer. If I hit with the ends, that kind of sucks. Hand up when you do this so you don't smack yourself in the back of the head. I start throw behind and catch. Throw behind and catch. We understand I can do that the other way too. Alright? I can start to go behind the back too. Alright? From there, we started talking about going hip to hip. Thumbs down for that, and I want to touch my hands to where I want to go. Maybe I draw a triangle. Same side shoulder, other hip, back, up, hip, back, up. Do that hand motion if you want. Keep it here to look super like Zen. I can bring it behind. There, from there, behind there. And when you do that, try to aim higher than you think. If you're aiming here, actually think about hitting here and you'll land it. Protect your job. Right? Once we got this, you'll basically get chuckered in. Alright? Now we start talking about those handles. Alright? For our right-handed, this is my regular grip, thumb near the string. Roll it over the top, behind that handle if you need slow motion practice. Let go, grab, bring it back. Bring it back the same way, bam. Alright? It starts to look like that. And if you need to kind of refine it more, you can use a stick. If you have your own pair of chucks, try to get that string the same width of your hand after the thumb. Alright? So, I'm feeling good, going back and forth like that, and then maybe I want to start whipping in the same direction over and over. Alright? I did my front to back. Alright? I have that thumb up for a good job. I put the chuck over my wrist. Let go, grab the other, swing it over the wrist. Let go, grab the other, start to smooth it out. And if I need to, I can stage it here. And then I'm ready. Wait, I'm ready. I can start letting it rip. Right? At these points that you guys do your handles and stuff, or that infinite, you are fire safe. Right? I have my 2B, or my figure 8. When my hand gets to my cross side, do that regular handle. Bring it back, bring it back. Right? Bam, bam, bam. If you need to do another beat there to orient, that's okay. Right? I can do everything in reverse too. If I'm doing reverse, start on the same side as the arm holder. Bam, bam. Coming back to the forward, I can start to lower it on that first handle, raise on the next. This is a great way to burn off a little bit before you get a little bit more interested. Right? Back to that hip to hip that we did earlier, keeping the fingers down. I don't want the fingers to come up. I start that hand roll, again from the cross side. Hit, hit, hit. If you need a reminder of how that works, it's just basically slapping it back and the other hand on the 50 hips. Little fun thing for you guys to try at home is move your hips, the left and right hip, to either side of your leg. Right? I can do that by going hip to leg and then try to come hip too. Right? What else did we talk about? We talked about eagle claw. My righties are going up here. My lefties are going around here. You might use 2 fingers, 3 fingers, whole hand to get a clean wrap where it's straight. And I give a downward push. I don't need to invest in making it go up. You'll do that on its own. May clap. What helps is keeping those cables stacked inside your hand rather than hand to hand. Right? Or you can just grab the chucks double under, put them across, get a double, or go up, in, down, and do it. Right? Then we had a little bit of contortionism where I brought the chucks back to this point. Bottom arm, and over, other arm, over. I bring it out, and over. Or if I want to get a little more twisty, this elbow that's up, flips down behind that other arm, go to a neutral pose, other elbow up, flip one bring it back down to a neutral pose, up like I'm hitting something. Right? And that's our beginner class. So,
yeah.